Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a thou symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a thou symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just need to click on the insert option, but you can't find an option for symbol. So there is no insert symbol option present here. So instead of that, you can just use a keyboard shortcut as an alternative. Here you just need to use this keyboard shortcut as alt plus 231. Okay, you just need to press alt key, then you just want to type 231. So I'm just going to show. And another one thing I just need to show that you just need to change the font to the Calibri. So if you use Arial font, it will not work. So you just press alt key and type 231 on your keyboard and just leave the alt key, which automatically create the thou symbol. This is how you just insert thou symbol on your Google Sheet web. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.